A lot of parents I work with, they imagine that they're destroying their children when they have a rageful response to a provocation from a child and they yell. They become very anxious. And a lot of the kids with psychopathology, they're impulsive or externalizing, and it's difficult. And a lot of the time with the parents, I say, hey, come on, you're human. And this child is provoking a certain kind of response in you. That doesn't mean you're a bad parent. It means that you're human. Being a decent parent means you're able just to observe that and then to maybe walk it back the next day when you say, Jimmy, yesterday when you took that last cookie, the cookie was supposed to be for your father. I really got angry, and I'm sorry. But you got to understand, when you take the last cookie and then you lie about it, it makes mommy angry. That's all you got to do. Same in the interpersonal domain with your partners and your lovers and our coworkers. You're allowed to screw up. With my higher functioning patients, I will say, when you came 25 minutes late, it made me feel like our work isn't so important. And that's a little relational toehold into hearing the feedback from me. And they can go through an emotive cycle where they're affronted by me, they're injured by my candid response. And then I try to help them to stay with it, their humiliation or anger, shame, rage. And I help them to accept that there was a piece of their behavior that was hurtful to me. The rupture repair model, whereby someone hurts you, you feel the rupture, and then you act out, and then you endeavor to repair, rupture, repair, rupture, repair. I really think of that with any luck in treating a narcissistic character. That's the motion. It's stitching together kind of a new identity, whereby the rupture repairs are not nearly as frighteningly intense as they were when you were exposed to traumatic rage or a narcissistic parent who couldn't appreciate you. And in those situations, there's no rupture repair. If there's to be growth in the narcissistic domain, it comes from rupture repair, and the therapist comes back to the center.